Welcome to your latest weather update for Scotland from the Met Office. For many, it'll be a dry and a bright weekend with some sunny spells, but it is going to be quite blustery at times, particularly across the northwest. And here, the wind's picking up through the night with further outbreaks of showery rain coming in over the Highlands and the Northern Isles. 1 or 2 showers possible further south, but they will tend to zip through on the fairly brisk wind. With a bit more cloud around it, perhaps won't be quite as cold as it was for Thursday night into Friday, but we could still easily drop down into the mid-single figures across parts of the northeast. Through the central belt will generally stay at 10 or 11 degrees Celsius. On to Saturday, it is a bit of a mixed picture. There will be a few showers around, but they should be fairly light and they should tend to move through. I suspect much of the east will stay dry and fine throughout with some good spells of sunshine. Even in the west, the showers will be pretty well scattered. One thing to notice though, there will be a fairly brisk wind continuing to blow, particularly over the Highlands, so that will bring quite a significant wind chill if you're heading up into the mountains. Just be prepared for that. Make sure you've got a fair few layers on. Check the Met Office mountain forecast before you head up as well. But there will be some good spells of sunshine for most, and with the sunnier skies with a bit more shelter in the east, we should get to 18, 19. On the west coast, more likely to be 16 or 17 Celsius. That fresh breeze will continue to blow a few scattered but pretty light showers into the northwest during Saturday evening. Many places will have a dry and a fine evening, and it's a pretty similar story on Sunday as well. Again, showers will at times affect the Highlands and the Western Isles and the Northern Isles. The odd one getting into the northeast perhaps during Sunday, but any showers further south, very few and far between. So generally a dry day from the central belt and further south with a mixture of sunny spells and showers. When the sun's out, feeling pleasant enough if you can get out of the breeze, 17, 18 degrees, but again, cooler on some western coasts and certainly cooler up over the mountains during both Saturday and Sunday afternoon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe to all of our YouTube channels.